Check it out, y'all. We frying eggplant today. Yeah, we gonna do it with some breadcrumbs. We gonna do some pork chops too. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Let's get it. First thing we gonna do, we gonna get this eggplant cut up. So look here, we gonna cut them up into slices. Now, we gonna make these slices about 1 inch thick. But you just use your finger. Do 1 finger thick. That'll be cool. Oh yeah, that'll work. Now check it. Don't forget, thumbs up, thumbs down. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave me a comment down below. So now it's time to make it rain on these eggplant. So we're gonna salt them up real good on both sides. And then we're gonna let them sit for 30 minutes. That's gonna bring out the juice and everything. So now let's go ahead and get our pork chops ready. Gonna rain on them with some salt. Now hey, it's that Thai chili, that Weber seasoning I've been telling y'all about. Hey, it's good, y'all. Must try. So after we get our seasoning on, let's go and pat it in. Of course, we're gonna season both sides, y'all. We're gonna season both sides. After we get our pork chops seasoned, let's go ahead and get them breaded, y'all. Now these are Italian breadcrumbs. Seasoned Italian breadcrumbs now, y'all. Oh yeah. They looking good, y'all. Okay, y'all. Now we coming in with our eggplant. Now look here, y'all. Understand, I use 2 different plates for my pork chops and my eggplant. You know, I don't like to cross-contaminate like that. So hey, I know it might look like I'm using the same one, but you know, it's just the way I edited the video. Now if you salted your eggplant properly, you'll have no problem getting that breading onto your eggplant. But anyway, let's get our pork chops in the fryer. Oh yeah, fry them good, y'all. Fry them good. Now what I like to do is take my chops out about midway through and let that grease heat back up to the 350, and then drop them again, y'all. Oh yeah, these ready, y'all. These ready. Here, take you a good look at these, y'all. They look good, don't they? Oh yeah, they look good. Now once we get our pork chops fried up real good, let's go ahead and drop our eggplant. These eggplant ain't gonna take long at all to cook, y'all. We just want to get a nice crispy crust on them with that Italian seasoning. Get them on up out that grease, and hey, it's gonna be time to eat. It's gonna be time to eat. But anyway, let's get them on in that grease. Oh yeah, these eggplant looking good, y'all. Go ahead and get them on up out of here. Now look here, it shouldn't take you no more than 4 minutes to fry your eggplant. They look good too, don't they? Now, if you cut them too thick, you might have to go over 4 minutes, but it shouldn't take you more than 4 minutes if you use your finger. But hey, everybody's finger ain't the same size either, so you know how it goes. So this is our end results. Pork chops looking tasty, eggplant looking good, and hey, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.